I'm not sure why, but I decided to vlog outside today, and I was just walking around and I noticed a bird's nest right here. Like, what? It has like weird hinting and all that stuff to it. There's no like bird eggs or anything in it, but it's like, what? But yeah. Yesterday was fun. We went to see, what was that movie? Now You See Me. That was a really good movie. Totally, like, my mind feels violated from that movie. But it's really good, and I really recommend going to go see it. Had fun with the Bug Boys, and Leah, and Nicole. And now I'm just chilling in my backyard, vlogging, because I didn't want to vlog inside. I might go to a little dinner party that the Bug Boys are putting on, but I don't know. That's happening tonight. I don't know yet. Oh yeah, and as for me doing the video where I'm singing, I still might do it. I haven't been able to pick the right song that I wanted to sing. I'm just not sure which song. So, yeah. I might do it, or I might just wait until after my tonsils come out. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Hello everybody, it's me, Leah,
Hi.
Nancy, and, wait, Emily? I can't tell. Is that on Emily?
I think yes, it's on Emily.
Yay! We're all gonna go eat food with the Bug Boys
Do you
again.
think Will's actually gonna watch these when he comes back? It's gonna be a lot.
You bet.
Yes, that was a weird laugh. Wow.
You can watch one a day for 2 years. That'll occupy 2 years with him.
Yes, it will. And he will watch every single one of them, comment, and like every single one of them. Alright, Will? Anyways, we're gonna have fun. Yeah. Right, Leah? I'm gonna stop vlogging. This is why I don't vlog all the time. Okay. I'm stopping now. Originally, we were behind a car that said Super Duty, and I wanted to vlog it because it said duty.
William,
Hey, but
you're
they're
going to be the death of us. It's green.
I'm gonna stop now.